I have new hair. So this is going to be All Too Well by Gabor in the shade SS Sandy Blonde. So we'll start by putting on a wig grip or a wig cap. And this is just one that I have that I like, that has a combination of a wig grip and a wig cap. So, oh, the hair, yes. So she's just right out of the box. So we're gonna give her a big shake. Gabor All Too Well in SS Sandy Blonde. And inside, you can see there's defined part area. So I'm gonna line this up with this part of the wig cap. And in the back, there are fasteners that we can adjust. They're Velcro, so just undo them and make them tighter if you like. This is perfect for me. And then we just basically put our head in and pull it on gently. And this is what it looks like at first. What we do is we check the ear tabs, and there are little tabs that go on either side of your ear. And then you want to check the hairline. So you can see this is not 4 fingers. So I want to move her back gently to where my hairline, or where I like to wear my hairline. And then she has a bit of a zigzag part, so we're going to just comb through here and part her where we want. She's very shiny, which you can take down if you use powder shampoo or dry shampoo. That'll take the shine off. But I'm going to tell you, just wear her and the shine goes away. Between the pollutant in the air and just life, the shine does dull. And I get so many compliments when I have shiny hair. It's a sign of youth, really, to have shiny hair. Anyway, so let's put some water on her. I've used a smooth bottle that I finished and just filled it up with water and labeled it, because knowing me, I'll pick the wrong thing. But I like to put a little water on a new hair and just work with her. Again, the hair becomes you and you become the hair. So play with it. I like this little wispy part here. I like that it comes down. You could cut this shorter if you wanted to. Again, these are just so versatile and easy to work with. So make her your own. Again, All Too Well in SS Sandy Blonde. Color I haven't worn before. In this light, it kind of pulls red, but I'll take some photos outside so you can see her in natural light. I like her, and I like her with this black.